Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, guys. For today's video, we are going to make some siopaw. For the flour that I am going to use today is the dumpling flour. This is really for dumplings and for siopaw na rin. So, ayan, I already get ready the flour with other dried ingredients. And then we have the wet ingredients, which is the milk with the yeast and sugar. Okay, let's get started. So, ayan, pinaghalo natin na yung wet and dry ingredients. Now, I am going to use my hand to mix the dough. Already cleaned the counter. So, it's ready for our mixture. So, nilagyan ko po ng oil yung aking kamay. That way, hindi po siya dumikit. Okay. Hindi madaling gumawa ng siopaw, lalo na kung wala kang mixer. So, kasi kung may mixer tayo, in 10 minutes, perfect yung ating dough. Ayan. So, malapit na. Kasi parang, ano na siya. Nice and smooth. Tingnan nyo, super hassle to vlog, to make the content because if you are using the mic, you have to make sure it's on, right? So, you have to make sure everything is ready. Alright? So, meron po tayong pork. So, just for reality, guys. So, meron kunyari ako ditong maliit na light, ayan, to help me have little bright in here because it's cloudy outside, you know. Ayan. Dry natin ng kaunti. Let's wash. There you go. So, nilagay ko na yung pork. Ayan. Ayan, I love this thing. Makes your life easier. Very, very convenient. Okay, double check if there's still big piece of meat. So, yeah, it's perfect. So, ang mga ingredients naman natin dito ay ilalagay ko rin sa screen. So, let's make the filling, guys. Alright. I'll see if this is enough here. Next is the garlic. Really, really good. Now, let's add our pork. And this pork is about done. You can add some anise, but that depends on you if you want anise. And then, some black pepper, 1 cup of sugar, brown sugar. Still according to your taste. If you don't want sweet, just make it less, like half cup or 1/4 cup, or not at all. Let's add some water. Okay, let's put the lid on for probably 10 minutes. some of the black pepper. Yeah, it's really good. And then some chicken essence. And then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, just to give a little bit of thickness or saucy texture. So, ngayon, tatrabahuin naman natin to ating dough. Malaki na siya. Let's get started with this dough again. You guys, as you can see, 10 pieces or 8 pieces. Oh, see, it's just like a wrapper. Yan. So, something like that. Like that, okay? Yan. Nice and round. Ayan. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 pieces here, okay? And then here's our filling ready. This is like a little challenging because wala kasi tayong roller. Okay, so we are going to do the traditional way here because we don't have the roller. So, ayun, parang naman tayo naglalaro. Oh, di naman yan sobrang mahirap. Okay, now let's put some filling in it. Around 1 full spoon. Ayan, i-stretch nyo. Okay, tapos igaganon nyo. Para meron din siyang style or pagka naluto siya, meron siyang itsura. Ayun, nabuka na siya. So, ayan guys, nagpapakulo na rin ako ng tubig para sa steamer. Okay, kumukulo na. Tubig. Gusto niyo makita? Bumuka na talaga yung isa at yung isa pabuka, yung isa medyo at yung isa sarado, di ba? Baliktad nyo para hindi siya bumuka. Hindi problema, yung mga hindi problema. Ang ganda niya this time. Nakakatuwa, nakikisama yung iba sa akin. So ngayon guys, nasa last step na tayo. Aside from yung kumain na tayo syempre. So, i-steam na po natin siya. Ganito, kaya meron siyang parchment paper para hindi po siya dumikit. Over there. Lagay natin dyan. Lalaki kasi siya guys. Tutubo pa yan, kaya ayan. So, this is only for 10 minutes. Okay? So, yung kanyang moist ay hindi po babagsak. Okay? Ngayon naman ay ating bubuksan after 10 minutes. Wow! Oh, look at that! Ang laki! At ito, nagsipagbukas siya guys. So, hindi talaga siya na-sealed ng sobra. So, yun na nga, baliktad nyo kung hindi siya secure. Kasi nga, minadali ko na lang yan at syempre, sa sarili lang naman, di naman pantinda. So, there's no need of maraming kaetyosan. So, ang importante is the ingredients na masarap siya. Ayan. Wow, malambot siya at maputi. So, sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, kahit maraming ginawa nating trabaho, worth it siya. Ayan guys, so masarap ito. Wala ko. Basta hindi tamad makakakain. So this video actually is not really like, you know, some professional chef here. It's just the reality.
All done now, huh?
There's more. Get the plate here. Yay! And look, it's white, honey.
Looks good. I like this one on there. That's what I had last time.
Okay guys, ito na yung ating finished product ng ating siopaw. Tapos bubuksan natin siya. So let's try it. So it's definitely softer. Ngayon naman, kung i-ano nyo siya, ilagay nyo lang po siya sa ziplock bag and then ilagay nyo po siya sa ref, sa fridge. Para kung hindi nyo maubos ngayon, pwede mga 3, minsan nga 5 araw pa pag marami kaming nagagawa. So it's still fine. So, ayun po guys. Thank you so much for watching. Ayan. That's it for today. See you on the next video. Bye!